Hello everyone, my name is Elie. I'm here today to introduce to you one of the great talent that we have introduced into our team recently, David Herbs. Hello David.
Elie.
Before we go into the discussion, David, can you tell me a little bit about your background?
Great, thanks Elie. Look, really excited to be here. I'm originally a country boy from Australia, and I've spent pretty much my entire career working in Oracle application space. So working for local government, working for consulting, and working in the banking industry. So I've spent my time moving through different levels of each of the organisations that I've worked in, particularly for Australian banks. Spent a big chunk of my career working at Australia and New Zealand Banking Group, one of the big banks in Australia.
That's great. So you're not new to Oracle,
No.
and you have a lot of experience in one of the industry that's very, very important to us, and will continue to be so in the next year. That's great. So let me ask you a little bit about your interest in Oracle. Of course, we went through the normal process of trying to get you on board. What really drew you to Oracle? And aside from your experience working with our portfolio of products, what did you find in Oracle to be attractive and something that could contribute to helping you develop your career?
Yeah, so I think there's a couple of big factors with Oracle. So one is the breadth. So Oracle is enormous and has really significant reach across a whole range of different industries and offers products and services to different customers globally. It's something that you don't get working client side. It gives you that opportunity to, test out your experience and test out your skills with a range of different customers. So I think that was really exciting for me. I think Oracle is really best placed as we move into this really significant, generational change with the way that services are delivered to customers. So we've gone from a situation where a whole heap of technology was built up in the 80s and 90s for client server, and Oracle has invested really significantly starting 9-10 years ago to making that transition to becoming more of a services company. And I think Oracle is very well placed in that marketplace with owning the full stack, from the way that you deliver data centers right through to the way that a user experiences an application for a business process, where most competitors really aren't positioned for that. I think that's really compelling from a product point of view, and certainly moving into APAC is really exciting because it's a really diverse environment. So there's lots of different cultures, lots of different customers with different motivations, all looking to get different outcomes. So having the ability to go and engage with different customers in different industries, in different regions, is really exciting.
So if I were to summarize the three areas that you mentioned, the first is that we have a very broad portfolio which allows you to build comprehensive, complete solutions, bringing great value to our customers. We have an innovative way of delivering those services that focuses on business outcomes, not only on technology upgrades, which is also extremely important. And the third aspect of what you said is the market where we operate, which is Asia Pacific, very exciting, with a lot of potential, all the way from Australia to Greater China and to ASEAN, of course, where you are based. So these are the three key areas that brought you into Oracle.
That's right.
That's great. So let me ask you a little bit about the role that you've assumed by joining Oracle, and this role is focused on creating business for consulting and of course for Oracle in large enterprise accounts. You've only been here for a few weeks, and can you tell us what your impressions are about our potential in that segment of the market?
Yeah, look, I think it's a really exciting time to be part of, particularly Oracle Consulting. I think the the way that OC and the cloud transformation team is approaching engaging with customers is really pretty mature. So we're not just looking at it from an OC sales opportunity perspective. It's really looking at how can we partner with a prospect or with a customer to define what's best practice for them, to define the best combination of components from the Oracle stack to give them a really robust end-to-end solution.
Okay.
So I see that there's a component of the application side, so the way that we would deliver a SaaS component or a PaaS component for them, the way that we would orchestrate that for the customer, and the way that OC can provide them, an innovative, agile approach for delivering with the customers.
Okay, perfect. So you're having fun?
I am, yeah. It's been really interesting moving into Singapore and moving into Oracle Consulting. I didn't fully appreciate how complicated the induction would be. So learning all of the new acronyms and learning who is who for each of the different areas of Oracle has been really interesting.
Okay. And do you feel the dynamics and the interactions that you've had with your colleagues here in Singapore and beyond are very smooth, and there's a sense of spirit of collaboration and encouragement and everyone helping each other?
Yeah, look, it's been fantastic. I was fortunate enough to get out to visit the SSI team in Bangalore a couple of weeks ago, and they were super welcoming. It was really fantastic to actually get out there and meet the team. It was really graciously hosted by the team in India, and they were very welcoming. The team in Singapore has been fantastic, and the team in Malaysia has been fantastic. Very eager to help and to make sure that getting pointed in the right direction on what's going to add value and what I can do to actually help get a good outcome.
Fantastic. So, based on what you're telling me, you would recommend Oracle to someone who's looking for a forward-looking, modern, supportive, and cutting-edge work experience.
Oh, definitely.
Definitely. Fantastic. So, David, we're very happy to have you with us in Oracle Consulting, and we wish you all the best, and we hope to have another chat with you maybe in a year's time to see what is the result of all the onboarding preparation, support, and work that you're doing. With that, thank you very much, everyone, and have a great day.